Why does your scanner show the P26BB engine code? What does it mean? P26BB is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant, bypass valve, C, range, or performance. The P26BB engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, EECM, has detected that the electronic coolant flow or bypass valve is either stuck, malfunctioning, or sending an unexpected electrical signal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: stuck or corroded valve, failed actuator motor, wiring or connector issues, faulty coolant or contamination, outdated PCM software. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.